Welcome to our Yellowfin video on adding comments to timeline. Now, if you haven't already, please watch our introduction to timeline video first. Otherwise, we can start here. So I'm already on my timeline, and remember I got to timeline by clicking on my login name at the top right hand of the screen. Now that I'm in timeline, what I'm going to focus on today is the comments. Now you can add comments to a particular report, and please see our other video about adding comments to reports for that. But I'm just going to add a more generic comment today. So I can simply click in here to write my comment. I can adjust who can see it. So by default it's public. I might just like to send this to a particular person or a group. So I'm going to just send this to Lachlan. And you're going to just write a comment in. The latest sales figures. So I'm just going to keep that basic. Across the bottom we've also got some options here. So we can attach a report, and as soon as I click on that I get the menu of what reports I would want to attach to it. You can also attach an entire dashboard, a whole storyboard, or a URL link. So you might want to be pointing them to your website as an example. For my example, I'm just going to attach a little report here of my sales over time and drag it in. So now I've attached that. There is an additional feature here to categorize this comment. So is this comment about an update, an opportunity, or an issue? I'm going to say this is about an issue. There's an additional option here as well for your settings. So if I click on this, I can again change what type of post it is. And I can add an additional feature here for requires a decision, and I can add a due date. So I might say that I really need a decision on this by the end of December. Then I'm going to post that. Lachlan will get that notification, and only he'll be able to see it, and only I will be able to see it. So this is the comment that we just posted. Put a little screenshot in of the report, which it also has a link to. Then there's an additional option here for replying to it. So this is where I'll be waiting for Lachlan to reply. There is also an option for proposing a resolution. So he could propose a resolution and we could actually create a voting concept for it. We'll cover this more in our discussion boards. So that is how you can write a comment to another Yellowfin user using a timeline. Thank you for watching, and please see our other videos for quick tutorials.